You can choose from a variety of methods to specify email addresses when scanning to email. Methods include keying in email addresses, selecting from the address book, searching the LDAP server, selecting groups, and searching for groups by name. Perform the following steps to practice keying in a new email address manually. From the home screen, tap Email. To manually input an email from the address book, tap the To field. Use the on-screen keyboard to type the recipient's email address. If there are more email addresses to enter, tap Next. Otherwise, tap the down arrow at the bottom right of the screen. Then, tap the back arrow to return to the email screen. You can now enter a subject name, message, and file name. On the left side of the touchscreen, scroll to any desired scan settings. Tap the green Send button to email your file to the designated recipients.